Hi guys, Melissa here, and after a really long break, I'm so excited to be joining back in with How to Kill a Kit with Style. I think it's probably been, I don't know, maybe 18 months since I joined in. I did start, and then, as with everything for me at the moment, life has just been so busy with work and kids and our personal family circumstances, which if you follow me on Facebook, you will know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I really wanted to play along with a Scrappy Christmas in July as well. And so I had ordered this collection from Christina from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. I'd missed out on getting the Merry Days collection by Crepe Paper, but I contacted her and she had most of it, so I'll leave the link below. But if you are wanting collections and you just can't find them, definitely check out Christina. So I will show you what I've got. This was one of those collections that I just absolutely had to have. This is the printed vellum, so it's got these snow globes all over it. This one is called Believe. This one is called Holiday Love. Alright, sorry about that, I was interrupted by Ava. Of course I can never do a video without being interrupted. So this one is called Tinsel. And you'll notice that the B-sides are very versatile. This one is gorgeous and it's called Peace. Hot cocoa or hot chocolate. Beautiful stars on the B-side. This one is adorable, called Stockings. It would be really handy for a December daily to cut these apart. And snowflakes on the B-side. This one is called Mistletoe. And immediately I want to use that side for a background, but I can see myself fussy cutting that as well. So that is a challenge when you only have one of every sheet of paper. Okay, sorry, I'm just losing the papers over there. So, as for the embellishments, I got, what are these? The buttons and the fabric covered, and they're just beautiful. They actually remind me of when I first started scrapbooking in 2012. I think there were a lot of this kind of thing out, so probably almost vintage. I have the tag kit. You've got twine, some tags, some like ephemera kind of tags. You can see it here on the back. Now, obviously I'm going to use these for my scrapbook pages. I'm not using them for tags, but if I have any left over, maybe I will. We have the hanging stars, which are really beautiful. They're for gift wrapping as well, but I think that would look really pretty on a layout. The stickers, they are puffy. Really sweet. I've got these stickers. There's 4 sheets. I'll see if we can see them. So those are kind of more probably for the wrapping, and so are those, but you can still use them, and you know, some labels, but these words will go well on a page, and anything I don't use can be saved for next Christmas. So that really looks like it's made for gift wrapping, but you know, we can use it for scrapbooking. These are absolutely beautiful, the shaker stickers, and I'm well aware that most of you have probably seen this collection because you may have even used it, but it's new to me. These are the ephemera pieces, so they're really beautiful. The 6x12 sticker sheet. I love the sticker sheet from Crepe Paper. They're always really beautiful. Some paper, which I'll show you in a sec. These I just had to have. They are the puffies, phrase and accent stickers. So they're gold foil, I guess, and puffy. They're absolutely stunning. And I got the Holly Thickers, beautiful font. The Merry Days paper clips, there's 6 in there. And you can never go wrong with a sheet of Crepe Paper chipboard. So just looking at this looks like a 6x8 paper. I think, yeah, single-sided. So it's good to see some that I didn't get. And I love that Christina always puts in 6x8 sheets or 6x6. So I'm happy to see I have that one, so maybe I can forgo the fa la la words as a background. Swans, some holly, and just winter scene. So that's my kit. It's not big. I am not good at scrapping Christmas. I do December daily and I'm good at that, but I'm not so great at scrapping the photos I have left over. And I also have my July hip kit to play with and my scrappery kit to play with. So I didn't want to make my kit too big now that I'm back. But yeah, I'm planning on hopefully getting a lot done this July. So definitely keep an eye out here on YouTube and of course on my Instagram, and I'll put the link below. Thanks for watching.